Students, let's continue our chapter 13, Magnets. In today's session, we will discuss about properties of a bar magnet, Earth as a magnet, making a magnet, finding direction, and additional interesting facts about magnets. Properties of a bar magnet. Students, we can now list down the special properties of a bar magnet. First is attractive property. The magnet is capable of attracting small pieces of iron, steel, etc. Second is directive property. A freely suspended magnet always points approximately along the geographical north and south direction. Third, magnet has two magnetic poles. Students, even if we break a magnet, each of its two pieces still has two magnetic poles. Like poles of two magnets repel each other, while their unlike poles attract each other. Students, we can understand the directional property of a bar magnet by realizing that the Earth also behaves like a huge magnet. Like any other magnet, we can think of the Earth also as a magnet, having two magnetic poles, North Pole and South Pole. The magnetic poles of the Earth do not coincide with its geographical poles. The pole near the geographic north pole of the Earth is regarded as the south magnetic pole of the Earth magnet. Likewise, the pole near the geographic south pole is regarded as the north magnetic pole of the Earth magnet. Students, magnets can be made in a variety of ways. Some of these methods are given below. We can make a magnet by freely suspended an iron rod in the north-south direction and gently hammering it repeatedly at one end. We can also make a magnet by moving a bar magnet along the length of an iron rod a large number of times, always in the same sense. When we place an iron rod or a steel needle near a bar magnet for some time, the rod or needle is observed to acquire some magnetism. Students, the directive property of the bar magnet has proved useful for mankind over the ages. A practical device based on this property is the magnetic compass. The compass consists of a magnetic needle pivoted at its center and free to rotate in a horizontal plane. The needle is fitted in a horizontal box having a glass cover. The compass also has a dial with directions marked on it. In order to locate the directions at a place, the compass is placed away from any other magnet or iron pieces or any current-carrying wires. The compass needle will then point along the north-south direction at that place. Students, let us now discuss additional interesting facts about magnets. Magnets tend to lose their magnetic properties when heated or mishandled. If magnets are not stored properly, their strength keeps on decreasing with time. Hence, there are special ways to store different types of magnets. For example, bar magnets are kept in pairs with their unlike poles on the same side and separated by a piece of wood. You can see here in this picture. At the ends, the two pieces of soft iron are placed. We call these pieces as magnetic keepers. Magnets are capable of erasing the stored memory information from tapes. Hence, they should not be placed near a computer or a cell phone or a DVD or a floppy disk or an audio cassette. Students, now the chapter is completed. In the next session, we will do the question answer and book exercise of this chapter. Till then, take care. Goodbye.